Stop coding like you're chasing vibes. Because those vibes? They fade fast. What if I told you there's a system that crushes vibe coding completely? A system that's structured, scalable, and 100 times faster. This is the BMAD method. The ultimate AI coding system that makes vibe coding look like child's play. And in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly why. But first, watch till the end for the tool that made me $100 overnight. You'll want that one. Promise. Have you ever spent hours chatting with your AI, hoping it spits out something that just works? One line of code here, one snippet there, you patch it. Debug it. Hope it runs. That's vibe coding. And yeah, it feels fun at first. You're in the flow. You're vibing. But when it's time to scale, the vibe disappears. Because vibe coding is chaos in disguise. No system. No structure. No clarity. Just prompt. Pray. Repeat. The BMAD method changes that. Forever. It's not just coding with AI, it's managing an AI-powered team. With structure. With roles. With results. Here's the secret. BMAD means Breakthrough Method of Agile AI-Driven Development, fancy name. But the idea is simple. You become the CEO. I becomes your workforce. Every agent gets a job, a mission, a deadline, and the code gets done, right? So ask yourself this: why are some developers scaling entire startups overnight, while others are still stuck debugging random snippets? The answer? Structure. Process. The BMAD method. Let's start simple. Phase 1. Plan and brief. You tell AI what to build, but not as a coder. As a product manager. Write a product requirement document for X, boom. That's your PRD. Phase 2. Architect and design. You bring in your next AI agent. Its job? Design the architecture. Choose the tech stack. Plan modules. That's your blueprint. Phase 3. Execute and iterate. The dev agent steps in. It codes based on the blueprint. You review. Approve. Repeat. That's how real teams build products, and now AI can too. But wait, what happens when you skip structure? You get endless loops. Confused outputs. Broken logic. Burned credits. Wasted time. Classic vibe coding. BMAD fixes all that. You're not hoping for output anymore, you're commanding it. And before I go deeper, smash that subscribe button right now. Click the bell icon. Because I drop AI money making tools like this every week. If you want to stay ahead of the AI curve, hit subscribe. Let's grow together. Back to BMAD. Here's a simple trick. Split your project into roles. Assign each role to an AI agent. Example: Agent 1 Product Manager, Agent 2 Architect, Agent 3 Developer. Each one has context. Each one talks to the other. That's synergy. That's speed. That's BMAD. Most people code like they're playing darts in the dark. BMAD hands you the light switch. Now let's visualize this. You give your idea to the PM agent. It drafts the product roadmap. The architect agent plans the data flow. The dev agent codes the first feature. You test. You deploy. That's one iteration, done. And guess what? The same structure works for any AI platform. ChatGPT, Claude, Cursor, Gemini. Doesn't matter. The BMAD flow adapts. Like this so far? Then subscribe, so you don't miss the next drop. Because next time, I'll reveal the exact prompts I use. Let's talk about results. With vibe coding, you're reactive. With BMAD, you're strategic. The difference is night and day. My first BMAD test build? 6 hours. Fully working app. 0 bugs. $100 profit next morning. Not luck, system. And the best part? You can start right now. No new software needed. Just new thinking. Here's a fast workflow you can copy today. Step 1. Ask AI to write your PRD. Step 2. Ask for the architecture map. Step 3. Ask for the first feature build. Step 4. Review. Deploy. Iterate. Easy, right? That's the point. Structure beats vibes. But let's go deeper. Why does BMAD actually work? Because it forces clarity. Every prompt built on the last. Every agent knows its job. No confusion. You can even link agents. Like a mini AI company. One writes plans. One writes code. One reviews tests. You just manage. Think about that. You're no longer the coder. You're the director. That's power. Here's another tip. Always ask your architect agent to justify its design. That simple why question prevents logic gaps. Keeps your project stable. And saves you countless hours later. You'll be shocked how consistent it becomes. Projects that used to take days, now wrap up in hours. And remember, each role can be reused. Copy the prompts. Paste into your next project. Instant productivity boost. Oh, and keep your AI chat history organized. Name each thread by role. PM, Architect, Dev. That's how pros run BMAD. You're building a repeatable machine. Not just chasing creative sparks. Now, what about downsides? Sure, you still need oversight. AI isn't perfect. But BMAD minimizes errors. You're not debugging random hallucinations anymore. You're refining controlled systems. It's the difference between art and engineering. Vibe coding is art, BMAD is engineering. And you need both. But when it comes to real-world results, BMAD wins every time. Imagine launching 3 apps in a week. That's possible. Imagine automating your startup's coding flow. That's possible. Imagine AI teams working while you sleep. Also, possible. That's what BMAD unlocks. Real leverage. Real automation. Real income. If you're still coding on vibes, you're leaving opportunities on the table. Because structure isn't boring, it's freedom. And once you taste that speed, you'll never go back. Let's recap. Step 1. Define roles. Step 2. Assign tasks. Step 3. Chain outputs. Step 4. Iterate fast. Step 5. Scale infinitely. That's the BMAD cycle. And it just works. Now, if you're ready to test it yourself, start today. I've dropped example prompts below. Copy them. Tweak them. Build your own AI team. Like this breakdown? Then you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. Smash like. Share this with your coding buddies. Because the next wave is structured AI development. And you want to be early. Tomorrow's upload? It's the one that changes everything. I'll show you my full BMAD prompt folder, my workflow, and how I turned one idea into a product in a day. So don't miss it. Turn on that bell right now. You don't want to fall behind. Thanks for watching. Stay smart, stay structured, and welcome to the BMAD era.